It's 3 a.m. Your eyes just opened, and you can't move at all. This is sleep paralysis. Awake, trapped inside yourself. Deep in a dream, your brain is racing, almost as awake as it is right now. So every single night, deep in sleep, your whole body goes completely still. The command to move leaves your brain, but it's blocked before it ever reaches a muscle. Usually that lifts before you wake. But tonight, your mind woke up early and your body stayed frozen. And the dream doesn't fully fade. A shadow, a weight on your chest, a presence watching you, but nothing is really there. It's a hallucination. Nothing is actually there. That terror is your amygdala firing on high alert, with no real danger to point at. Then, just as suddenly, it lets go. Harmless, just your dream running a few seconds late. Try to wiggle one finger, and the spell breaks. One more mystery solved. Ever felt it? Subscribe.